my name is Willem van Dok. I work for Seed Processing Holland. Today we are at Rijk Zwaan seed production facility in the south of the Netherlands. In 2025 we developed this installation. It's a completely optimized seed threshing installation where the seed crops that are being harvested and dried in this facility are being processed further, fully automatic. So we tip the box, we thresh, we pre-clean, and the seeds are almost ready to go to the next facility, and all in a dust-free environment and a very ergonomic way and design. We are very proud of this installation, and the customer is very satisfied.